let's check out Bird Control Group. They specialize in making laser repellents that protect crops from birds. Their repellents are so good that they have customers as far as South Korea. These devices offer simple smartphone control and are incredibly effective, reducing bird presence by over 70%. To keep the birds from getting used to it, you can choose from 16 beam patterns and set up to 250 waypoints on its route. Unlike gas and noise repellents, this one works quietly and is effective up to a range of 1.5 kilometers.